Most people get credit monitoring services wrong by assuming they are all the same. Today, we're doing an honest review of Experian and what you need to know before using it. Experian is one of the three major credit bureaus in the U.S. and it offers free and paid services. The free version provides your Experian credit score and basic monitoring, which is enough for casual users who just want to check their score occasionally. Most people get this wrong by thinking free means limited. Instead, it actually gives you a full FICO score and recent credit report activity. The paid version, Experian Identity Works, includes credit monitoring across all three bureaus, alerts for potential fraud, and up to $1 million in identity theft insurance. The surprising truth is that even if you pay for Experian, it doesn't boost your score or prevent fraud on its own. You still need to manage your accounts responsibly. Experian's dashboard is user-friendly. You can view your credit report, check for errors, and get tips to improve your score. Most people overlook the educational resources, but they can be extremely helpful for first-time users or anyone rebuilding credit. There are some limitations. Alerts may lag by a day or two, and the full identity monitoring service comes at a monthly cost. If you're looking for real-time alerts on every single change, you might need additional tools. In conclusion, Experian is a solid choice for credit monitoring and identity protection, but it's not magic. Most people get it wrong by expecting it to prevent mistakes automatically, but used correctly, it's a valuable tool for managing and understanding your credit. Subscribe for more honest reviews so you can make informed decisions about your finances.